Hi, today we will take a look at our KNX training kits. This training kit is made of ACP panel. The main purpose of producing these training kits is to prevent our KNX device from being easily damaged. With this production of these training kits, we can perform directly contactless wiring on KNX devices. At the top, we place all the devices used, while at the bottom is where the wiring will be carried out. Let's take a look at the devices included in these training kits. Here we use ELCB to protect against earth current leakage. We also use MCB for protection against overcurrents and short circuit. Okay, the first KNX device is a USB interface. This USB interface is a DAN rail mounted type. This is a product from MDT company. It is used to connect the KNX system to the PC suite for configuration, programming, and monitoring of the KNX system. Next, we have KNX power supply. This KNX power supply is from Aloysius with a capacity of 640 milliampere. This means we can connect up to 64 KNX devices using this one power supply. Next to this power supply, we have a KNX master actuator. This master actuator is same brand as the power supply, which is from Aloysius. The master actuator is a combination of switching and shutter or blind actuator. They are 8 channel. When we use it as a switching actuator, channel A, channel B, channel C, channel D, channel E, channel F, channel G, and the last one is channel H. But when we use it as a shutter or blind actuator, the channel will become 4. Channel A and channel B is the first channel. Channel C and the channel D is the second channel. Channel E and channel F is the third channel, and channel G and H will be the fourth channel when we use it as a shutter or blind actuator. Next, we have a dimming actuator, also the same brand which is Aloysius. Okay, this dimming actuator is a extension type, so no need to place. It need to be placed next to the master actuator. As you can see, this dimming actuator does not have the bus terminal. It will use the master actuator bus terminal. There are 2 channels in this dimming actuator, namely channel A and channel B. Next, we have a push button. This push button is from Green Control. So this push button is a 4-pole type. Rocker 1, Rocker 2, Rocker 3, and Rocker 4. Next, we have the KNX sensor from MDT. This sensor is type of present detector. In this training kit, we also install 8 units of pilot light. Pilot light 1, PL2, PL3, PL4, PL5, PL6, PL7, and the last one is PL8. The pilot light acts as a output. Here we also use 2 units of tungsten light bulb. This light bulb is used because its brightness and darkness can be controlled. So this light bulb will act as an output for the dimming actuator. Okay, that's all the explanation regarding this training kit. Stay tuned for the next video where we will make wiring using these training kits.